Mga kababayan, welcome back sa hashtag Walk with Lan. Ako si Lan, your walkmaster sa politika, nagluluto ng katotohanan, walang lasang kasinungalingan. Today, we are diving deep into the Senate drama. Yari dito si Soto, mga senador ayaw na kay Tito Soto. Senador Cayetano, malapit na mag-Senate President. Sounds familiar, ha? Ito ang buzz sa social media. At sa episode na ito, sisimulan natin ng shocking facts. Bakit galit ang mga senador kay Tito Soto? At bakit si Senator Peter Cayetano ang shining star na pwedeng maging next Senate President? Para sa mga kabataan, diyan na scrolling sa TikTok habang nag-aaral sa politika at sa mga OFW na missing ang bayan pero updated pa rin, this is for you. We will break it down intellectually with wit and facts. No flap, just pure analysis. Stick around for a couple of minutes of eye-opening discussion. Hit that like button now and subscribe kung first time mo. Tito Soto from Itbulaga to Senate President pero ngayon accused of soft pork in the 2026 budget. At si Cayetano pushing for real reforms. Let's walk this out. Okay, let's start with the basics. Mga kawok, sino ba talaga si Vicente Tito Soto III? Born in 1948. He's a veteran, entertainer, turned politician. Remember Itbulaga? Siya ang isa sa original host, bringing laughs to millions. But in politics, from Vice Mayor of Quezon City to Senator since 1992, with breaks. He became Senate President in September 2025 after ousting Chis Escudero amid anti-corruption protests linked to flood control scandals. The 2025-2026 protests led to leadership changes and Soto was elected Senate President by a 15-senator majority. Pero wait, from Tito Vic and Joey to Tito Senate and controversy, parang evolution na hindi naman nag-evolve. For our youth audience, imagining nyo, Soto as that boomer uncle sa family reunion na laging may old school jokes. Pero pagdating sa governance, questionable decisions. Soto's political stance, conservative, anti-reproductive health bill noon, pro-life advocate, but let's be critical. His rise in 2025 tied to the flood control projects scandal under Bongbong Marcos admin. Protest demanded removal of Escudero and Soto stepped in. Manila Bulletin reports, Soto denied soft pork allegations in the 2026 budget, calling them unfair and baseless. Pero bakit may smoke kung walang fire? Para sa mga OFWs, kayo na nagpapadala ng remittances para sa infrastructure, pero yung flood projects, scandal-ridden. Soto's leadership, question for not addressing corruption heads-on. But let's get critical, His controversies are piling up like unpassed bills. Now, the meat of the walk. Bakit yari na si Soto? Let's list the facts, intellectually dissected. Una, the soft pork scandal, January 2026. Manila Bulletin, Soto rejected allegations of soft pork in the 2026 budget. Ano ito? Soft pork means hidden allocations na pwedeng gamitin for personal gain, disguised as legit funds. Sa gitna ng anti-corruption protest na naglagay sa kanya sa power, bakit may ganitong accusations? Parang Itbulaga Prize, looks good, but is it rigged? Pangalawa, clash with Supreme Court. Facebook post and Inquirer, Soto assailed the Supreme Court's decision on Sara Duterte's impeachment, calling for chacha, charter change. Daily Tribune called his statement insolent, risking contempt charges. This shows disrespect of to separation of powers. Sa mga kabataan, imagine niyo yung prof changing grades arbitrarily, hindi ba chaotic? Soto's rhetoric, more political chatro than legal reasoning. Pangatlo, leadership dissatisfaction. Rappler and Politico, rumor of coup against Soto in February 2026. No Bato de la Rosa. No coup, they say, but senators like Bongo and Robin Padilla not keen. Soto shrugs it off, saying, if I doubt it. But social media buzzes otherwise. Critical, his majority is shaky, 15 votes, but minority led by Cayetano is gaining traction. Past controversies for DEP, Remember 2012 plagiarism scandal? Soto copied speeches on RH bill from bloggers without credit. Parang student na nag-copy-paste sa thesis, busted. At his anti-vax comments during pandemic, questionable for a leader. Kayo na naghihirap abroad, mga OFWs, nagpapakahirap abroad yan. Tapos leadership na ganito, no transparency in budget, it's betrayal. Mga kawok, if you're an OFW, paano nyo nakikita ito from afar? Share your stories. YouTube clips of show Soto dominating sessions, but critics says it's authoritarian. In the 2025 protest, his election was a concession, but now diplomacy, as Tribune says. Mga kababayan, sa mundo kung saan ang kasinungalingan ay nangingibabaw, ang katotohanan ang unang sinisikil. Pero kasama kayo, magpapatuloy tayo sa laban, walang takot, walang kinikilingan, at laging handa para sa bayan. Sumali na sa aking YouTube channel membership sa hashtag #WalkWithLan at tulungan natin ang channel na maabot ang 100,000 subscribers. Ang inyong suporta ang susi sa kalayaan natin para ipagpatuloy ang pagbabalita ng katotohanan. Salamat at kita-kits sa laban. Okay bakit si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano ang bagong hope? Born 1970, lawyer yan, diplomat, politician. Senate Minority Leader since September 2025. After Soto's rise, achievements, plenty. Budget reforms, Cayetano pushes for 2026 national budget that's tangible for Filipinos beyond approvals. He voted no for now on HB, demanding better ideas. This shows fiscal responsibility, unlike Soto's pork issues. Pangalawa, priority bills. Filed 10 bills in 2025 on economic development, education, nuclear tech, RA for clean energy, sponsored laws for UP charter, scholarships. Sa mga kabataan, mas madaling loans para sa students, imagine ninyo, no more utang for tuition. Anti-corruption stance. As minority leader, he admits no 13 votes yet for a coup, but his focus on minority role, giving better ideas, parang underdog sa basketball na nag-scout ng weaknesses ng opponent. Para sa mga OFWs, Cayetano's foreign affairs background, he understands diaspora needs like better remittance protections. Sa mga kabataan, if Cayetano becomes Senate President, anong first bill nyo na gusto nyong comment, He inspires PNP staff with purpose-driven mindset. Key bills passed February 2025 on education and economy. Okay, si Soto po, old guard yan, controversies galore, pork, SC clashes, shaky leadership. Si Cayetano, fresh, reformist, budget focus, education push, transparent. Soto's conservative views hinder progress. Cayetano's bills promote values and families. Si Soto is like an old wok, rusty and leaking. Cayetano is non-stick efficient. Okay. In protest, Soto was a concession. Cayetano joined minority for accountability. Rumors say Cayetano close to Senate President. Malapit na. Youth need innovative leaders. OFWs need anti-corruption chumps. Kaya to sum it up mga kawok, Soto's time is up. Yari na sa controversies. Cayetano is the future. Intellectual, critical, and ready. Stay informed. Vote wisely. Thanks for what? For watching couple of minutes of this show. Like, share, subscribe. Next episode natin, more Senate scoops. Kita-kits. Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas.